on his face? Oh, you got the hiccups. Uh-oh. Spit up? It's okay. We'll wipe it. We'll wipe it. Uh-oh. What you think? Oh my goodness, hiccups. You hiccuped all the time in Mommy's belly. You hiccuped all the time in Mommy's belly. That's not so bad. That's not so bad. Is it? What's going on? What kind of face? You were smiling a minute ago.
Yeah, now that I'm here with the camera.
Okay. This is a true feeling face. This is his true feelings. Okay.
I guess hiccups are really crappy.
You've had these in my belly 3 times a day, mister. Don't think I didn't feel them.
He probably made that face in there too.
No, he was so happy in there all the time. Hey! Hey, Kai! You remember me? You kind of got to know me slowly. And from the inside. Now you're out. Now you're out. Now you're out of Mommy's tummy. What do you think about that? Where are you? This is home. This is what Cyrus calls Cyrus's house. Or Mommy and Daddy's house. That's right. We're all home now. What do you think about that? Oh my, hiccups. Hiccups. What? What is it? Are you so awake? That's your grandma over there. She's got as a camera. You've been getting a lot of those stuck in your face lately because you're new and exciting. Yeah, you're so new and exciting. What was that? Hiccups. You do that a lot, you know. I felt them in my tummy all the time. Yeah. I know. It's amazing. Whoa. Are we going crazy?
Like, yeah, my eyes. They're just
doing
going
things
any which way they want. Help!
They're all over the place. Hiccup. Hiccup. I'm glad to see you awake. I haven't seen you awake in a while. What you looking at? Hmm? Your big brother's taking a bath. You know, your big brother's taking a bath. Soon you get to take a bath with him one day. I know.
He was like, what?
I know. He's going to be so fun. He's going to show you all sorts of things. He loves to teach everybody all about his little life. What you think? What you think? I just can't comprehend the blue eyes. I don't know what I'm looking at here. How did this work genetically? Could you just let me know a little bit? Maybe you say your pap and your grandma both had them. And the Punnett square predictive value or prediction was 25%. Yeah. So just a Punnett square, Mommy. Just do